on April 25th, it was announced that Parexel and Palantir plan to accelerate clinical data delivery and power clinical outcomes for patients. So what exactly does this mean? Well, before we jump into this, founded in 1982, Parexel is a private American company that provides biopharmaceutical services. So simply put, they're a clinical research organization, which means they've conducted a lot of clinical trials over the years on behalf of pharmaceutical clients in order to expedite their drug approval process. They are currently the second largest clinical research organization in the world and have helped roughly 95% of the 200 top-selling pharmaceuticals on the market today, which is incredibly impressive. So with that in mind, Palantir announced this multi-year partnership with Parexel, and even though the amount of this deal hasn't been stated, I think we can all assume that based on Palantir's past deals, this one is definitely in the multiple millions of dollars. And this deal was made in order for Palantir to implement their AI services to help aid in the delivery of safe and effective clinical trials for their customers. It's stated that Parexel will be using Palantir's commercial software foundry, as well as Palantir's artificial intelligence platform, known as AIP, to power Parexel's clinical data platform, which focuses on ensuring trial efficiency, while of course maintaining a high level of safety. Parexel is also the first clinical research organization to be working with Palantir in this sort of large capacity. And for example, some of the things that Palantir's software will be able to help with could be things like data analysis and predictive modeling, where AI can analyze large datasets from previous trials to identify patterns, predict patient responses, and optimize trial designs, which would overall help in reducing trial duration and costs. And Palantir's AI algorithms would also be able to help analyze health records to identify eligible patients quickly. Granted though, these are just a couple of examples, and I'm sure Palantir's software will be able to have more implications than what I just mentioned. So Parexel, already being a leader in the clinical research industry, is well on their way to maintaining their lead and potentially getting light years ahead of other organizations that aren't using Palantir's software, let alone using artificial intelligence. So by accelerating their clinical trial lifecycle, using what Parexel calls the precision pathway, which is an end-to-end operational approach which prioritizes the delivery of clean data, efficiency, quality, and predictability are all going to go up. Now supported by Palantir's software, Parexel's clinical data platform will now be able to provide a robust digital environment to hyper-automate manual processes, safely promote data discovery, gather insights from historical trials, and streamline coordination among the scientific and operational teams. In fact, incorporating Foundry and AIP into the Parexel environment will also provide Parexel's customers with real-time access to high-quality validated data, ensuring full transparency during studies, as well as faster timelines that maintain an even greater level of quality. I think Parexel is well positioned to scale and integrate the use of AI to enhance basically every aspect of their business. Of course, Palantir will also be able to gain even more momentum in the healthcare industry now. However, the healthcare industry isn't the only thing that Palantir is revolutionizing. Palantir is also changing from the inside the way the military-industrial complex operates. So to get a better understanding of this and how Palantir has developed the very first AI-powered intelligence vehicle, then check out this video next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time.